Good afternoon, May the 12th, 2016. Time to wrap up today's trading. Today, the E-mini could trade it from either side. Looked like it was going to try to trade lower. We said the easiest trade to see was failure to take out the overnight session high. So we had resistance starting in that 70-72 area as the market opened. And the market trended lower. I mean, it blew through support. You just never had a chance really to get long until after the low was in. In fact, the first trading opportunity based on the blue line to get long was right here. And with a little bit of bad luck, you just stopped out on a 3-point stop. So that works. But you can just see that all these monkey trades worked, even this last one. Here we get a higher low, and that turned the market. Got some help from crude oil. Crude oil rallied back off the idea that Iraq said that come June, the OPEC meeting, production cuts were possible. Buy oil. We're going to be subject to this all the time in crude oil. From Russia's going to do it. Everybody else is going to do it. It's a way to support the market cheaply and sell as much as you can on the side. And it's going to continue. So why did we kind of think the short side was the easiest trade to see this morning? First, quickly, F1 lower high, lower low. Look for a place to sell it tomorrow, but on our F2 screen, you can see that coming in to today's distribution based on yesterday is that we got a move out of the middle starting yesterday. We get a move out of the market coming down. You can see the volume is well below the preceding day. Let me put it back on 30 so we get the proper take or look on the market. So this was the selling that started yesterday, and we thought this morning if we failed to get through this 74, 75 area is going to be the easiest trade to see. And that's pretty much what turned out. Got to move out of the middle in B period, and the market comes down. We thought there was a pretty good chance for 60 to hold. Then when 60 came out, we said stops below 50. So if the market were to close right here at 62.70, we'd be trying to sell the 65.70 area would be sell 1. 74.79 would be sell 2. On the buy side, 51 to 48 would be buy 1. 40.42 buy 2. We have news tomorrow that can move the markets. Retail sales plus 0.9. Ex autos plus 0.5. PPI plus 0.3. PPI core plus 0.1. Those numbers will be lost in the retail sales numbers. Business inventories, nobody cares. Consumer sentiment, 89.7. Baker Hughes rig count. Last week was 451. Okay, these numbers can come in lower than forecast if our recent economic history is a guide. So retail sales could come in lower than forecast. PPI numbers, except for core, could come in lower than forecast. Consumer sentiment, 89.7 could come in lower than forecast. Again, the easiest trade to see is going to be failure to take out this 2068, 2070 area. If that holds, market should trade lower. Down to the news when all is said and done tomorrow. Okay, had a weak 30-year auction. That's pretty typical. We have a strong 10, weak 30, weak 10, strong 30. And a lot of that's just manipulation by the dealers. 2.19 to 1 coverage. They don't like that. Lower high, lower low. Look for a place to sell it on the F1 screen. On the F2 screen, definitely a B. We do have news to get through tomorrow that we just covered. So 23.27, sell 1. 31.03, sell 2. I can buy it tomorrow. So maybe a little bit lower. 12 to 14, let them get stops below tonight's lows. Buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. The E-mini sales, I expect this contract to be higher. Looking at the 30-year and where we are right now, knob spread actually held in today. So 20 to 24 is 1. We had the spill from 30, spill from 01. Last rotate up was 25. Maybe stops above that. 27.31, sell 1. 7 to 11, sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down stopped at 13. Then 12, so 12 to 16. First support level, 5 to 9, buy 1. I think we take out yesterday's lows, we'll go a little bit lower, 25, 29, buy 2. I just don't see this market selling. It's settlement day. Big cash players will be sidelined. Primary dealers will be balancing their books. Gold, I think, is in a trading range. It can sell, as we've seen. I think the market is still consolidating after the gun stops above 1,300. People are trying to figure out how long they can get and where to get long. Don't think they're really playing the short side. Kind of an outside day. That implies trading range. We do have news tomorrow that will move the market. So, and that news can come in lower than forecast. So. Got an attractor down here at 67. We'll play the same game we did today. 65, 67, buy 1. 60, 62, buy 2. On the sell side, 74, 76, the same numbers we had today. 79, 81, prefer the buy side. Crude oil. Iraq came to the rescue today, and wow, we can cut production come June. Sure, we can, as they've just announced record production levels. Higher low, higher high. Market is pointing higher. I mean, really, $50 is within reach, and take 2 to 3 days to get there. We have a move out of the middle. It started at 44. Add $3 to 44. That takes us to 47. We were there today. Crude trades at $2 to $3 trading range. Iraq came to the rescue today. A little consolidation right here. 46.75. A little bit inside where we were this morning. 47, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, 46 even, 45.75 buy 1. And then 45.25 buy 2. I think central banks are screwing with the crude oil market now. Much cheaper way than QE4 or QE1A or whatever they end up coming up with. Okay, the euro and the yen were down. Euro, yen rally for a couple of days, 1 to 2 days. Dollar rallies for 1 or 2 days. And the last 2 days, the yen and the euro have sold a little bit. Inside day, not a whole lot going on right here. As long as we stay below 14.50, this market can sell. And putting it all together, double distribution, new distribution lower in E period, market is pointed lower, so I think stops below 75. I'd like let's 13.50 buy 1. We'll put a question mark at 75. 13.25 buy 2. On the sell side, 114 even, 14.10. 25 to 35, sell 2. And again, big news tomorrow that can impact the euro as much as the E-mini in treasuries. That is it for May the 12th. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Good trading. For those of you in London, that'll kick it off for us tonight. And for the rest of you, we'll hook up at 6:45 a.m., give or take, Central Time. I'm out of here.